Yo, yo, yo. What is up? That new head unit, I'm loving it so far. This, I'm still kind of, I don't know, because I've walked past some I've drove past some cops and this thing has not gone off. So let me know that they were there. But then again, it's not a cop detector, it's a radar detector. So granted, I could have driven by these cops, but they could have not been using their radar. You see what I'm saying? So it's not gonna pick up on anything if I don't use the radar. I mean, if they don't use the radar. But I am doing some mountain driving today with my boy Kamal with the STI, who was supposed to meet me at the Cars and Coffee but didn't. Oh yeah, by the way, my slave has had it, boy. My slave has had it. Like, it's like, I can't even explain it. It's just, this shit is going out and it's going out fast. So I'm keeping fluid in it. I checked my fluids before I left. I'm at the max line, which is good. But I'm gonna probably check it after I leave the little togue that we're gonna do. But yeah, I got a new SD card that I just put in the GoPro, so I have more space to record, especially for this weekend. I'm gonna put all that stuff right here. And then I got my head mount here that I'll put on once I get there. But yeah, I'll pick this up when I get to Kamal because it's a bit of a drive. But yeah, we're gonna take the Z to the mountains today. I'm pretty good on gas too, so. But yeah, pick this up when we get there. My man got new tires, brakes, and rotors. This man got the Pilot Super Sports on an all-wheel drive car. Yeah, he's gripping. I definitely want to change the tires on mine. These are Bridgestone Potenza RE11s. They're all right, but like, I don't know, the traction pattern kind of scares me a little bit. I can't explain it, but I want to get like better tires. But yeah, nah, he's hooked up. Is that a STI, man? Is that a STI? I love the interiors on these things. He needs a two-step and a tune and bolt-ons, bigger turbo, built motor, everything in the books. White on white crime. All right, so with my boy Kamal right now, right in front of me. We figured we'd take the back roads to get like more windy roads and shit like that, so. Oh, wow. Oh, my lip. Something dragging. Yeah, I hear something dragging. I gotta pull over and see what it is. That all-wheel drive, like. I'm gonna pick this up after I find out what's dragging into my car. All right, so nothing was dragging. I thought something was, but I guess not. I don't even think he realizes he still has his hazards on. sure it's recording at the right angle. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, I'm cool. Alright, well, my GoPro was messing up, so back to action now. We should be good. God damn! I will never beat a Subaru in the mountains. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Alright, so I got receipts flying everywhere and shit. But we're about to get food and shit, but we're gonna hit the highway. Wow, this fucking cop's a dickhead. But yeah, we're about to get some food and shit, but we're gonna hit the highway too. So obviously we're gonna get some roll races. Psych! I got hella shit in the back, just moving everywhere. Yeah, my slave is going out. Fuck. We gotta get around these cars. My slave just went out. I gotta pull over. I gotta pull over. Fuck. No, it died. Alright, so my slave just went out. As you can see, my clutch pedal is stuck at the floor. I don't know if you can really see that. So I won't be able to take the Z to the fucking events, but I will take my daily. So let me get this sorted out. Alright, so as you can see, my clutch pedal is done. Like I have to, you feel me? Like, and it just gets stuck there. Well, I mean, it has like, it's coming back now. Well, nope, there you go. It's stuck. Yeah, so with my boy Kamal, we're just waiting on a tow truck. I guess I'll have to take the daily to the meets and stuff like that, but I will still be there and get some vlog footage. So yeah. All right, I figured I'd record this for you guys. I had to move some shit out my trunk, but yeah, my clutch pedal is done, boy. All the way down there. I think my car's too low. Is my car too low?
Just wait.
Okay. Get your ass thing. Oh shit.
Protected bottom had your ass.
Why, I was scraping OD?
Yeah, it was scraping OD.
God damn, I feel like I heard it too. Like,
he's gonna pick you up at the shop where it's going?
No, we were just gonna follow you to the shop and then he's gonna drive me back once we get everything handled there.
Well, you ride with me, you go down to the shop, you just get out of here so I don't have to deal with you.
Alright, no, just
yourself go when it's safe, go.
Yo, bro, just follow us.
Yeah, I will.
Alright.
I don't know where the shop is.
Alright. Alright, so the Z's back in the shop. The guys in the shop were fucking the guys in the shop were fucking annoying because they kept trying to tell me how to drive my car. Like, my clutch is good. It's my slave cylinder, and they kept, I don't know if they thought it was just like the clutch, like I'm just a young kid who blew the clutch. Like, no, bro, I know how to fucking drive my car. I hate when people do that. But yeah, I'm gonna order these parts and hopefully get the Z back on the road as soon as I can. But for now, I'm just gonna be out, give you guys updates on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me. But yeah, for now I'll be out. Peace.